Hello viewers, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how to get TV guide on Hulu. The process is very simple, you just have to follow these steps in the video till the end. Step number 1, make sure you are subscribed to Hulu Plus Live TV. The regular Hulu plan does not include the live guide. After that, you will move to the step 2, open the Hulu app on your device or go to hulu.com. From the home screen, select the Live TV tab. You will find it at the top or bottom of the menu depending on your device. Now, once you open Live TV, the TV guide will appear automatically. It shows a full grid of current and upcoming shows across all channels. You just have to scroll left or right to view times and up or down to browse channels. You can see the details for a show by clicking or tapping on it. You will see the description, duration, and options to watch or record. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.